again, how many times in our life have we swallowed our fear, swallowed our emotions, swallowed our anger? And that's for my release. My eyes water, a yawn, and I'll start to belch. And that's took some time to do that. But that's a big thing there. Again, how many times in our life have we swallowed our fear, swallowed our emotions, swallowed our anger, just put it down, especially in families or whatever. We didn't have a voice. And all that stuff is still sitting there decades later. So these traumas don't dissipate out of your body; they actually compound in your body. Especially in we always think trauma is a life event. Trauma can be a living situation. And many times people live with difficult situations, illness, or narcissistic partners, things like that, that continually compound in our system.